Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm going to be unboxing the March 2021 card kit of the month from Spellbinders. It's called Celebrate Spring. And you can see in the box, the first thing is the little card that gives you the contents, and you can see there's quite a bit of good stuff. It's 3 examples of cards that you can make, and on the back it gives you some step-by-step instructions to make a card. You always get 10 cards and 10 envelopes. They send you adhesive, both tape adhesive and the foam adhesive, and then they always send you these you always get some dies, which I think is a really cool and awesome deal. And there's a stamp set, and a lot of the dies coordinate with the stamp set. You can cut out some of the phrases that are on the stamp set as well as some of the images. So I'm just going to show you some of that here real quickly, which is really cool, I think. And you get some flowers in this kit, and you get a really cute little bunny, which you'll see in just a moment. Isn't he just adorable? And his hands are together like that so that you can put some flowers in them if you'd like. And this kit is great this month because it kind of doubles as not only like an Easter, but you could do anything spring as well as St. Patrick's Day, because you get some clovers in that long patterned one there. And also that die there, I didn't show it to you, but it cuts out those flowers. Pretty cool deal. Okay, so I'm going to take these stamps and I'm going to tape the front plastic to the back plastic. Sometimes when you buy stamp sets, you'll find that they have a joined piece like that, and I prefer that, so I'm just taping them together. Now here's a look at the foam stickers you get this month, and these are glittery and really pretty, and they're 3D, they're foam stickers. And one of the great things about this is I bet you could color them with alcohol inks if you didn't want the words to be white, you could color them with alcohol ink markers. So that's a pretty cool thing. And these beautiful 3D butterflies stickers too, that's pretty cool as well. I think I've seen those at the Dollar Tree before. And then you also get some of this beautiful, these beautiful, I'm not sure what they're called, but just gemstones. Beautiful gemstones with gold flecks in them. That's pretty cool. And all those beautiful spring colors. And then you get this paper pad, and this is also, this whole kit is such an excellent deal in my opinion. So you get 20 patterns, and you get 2 of each, so that's a total of 40 pieces of paper. I mean, you can just make so many cards with this card kit. It's unbelievable. So, and I will be having some videos with the cards from this kit. I really am enjoying it. This is my second kit that I've purchased so far from these guys, and I'm just really, really happy with it. And here's some wonderful, lots of great words on this one. I love this a lot. I may even keep a picture of this so I can remember some of the sayings to put on my cards for future. So you can see all these gorgeous patterns in this pack, and again, this one can go for St. Patrick's Day or spring. That beautiful damask pattern there. So just some gorgeous patterns, fun patterns. I like to look at the patterns to try to get an idea of how I might pair them together, or how I might, what cards I might want to make. And then you get 9 sheets of cardstock, which you can, I like to cut them in half and use half for die cutting and half I fold again in half, and then that gives me 9 more cards. But actually I don't do that with a gold one, so 8 more cards. So that's a total of 18 cards that I can make with this kit, which I think is really cool. It's like $39.99 a month, I think, and they don't charge you for shipping. Now these are all the die cut shapes you get, and there's a ton of them. You can see there's florals, there's words, there's tags, and just really cute little images that I'm sure you'll really enjoy using on your cards. So you can see here again, here's a list of all the contents, and it's pretty extensive. I think it's just such a great kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon.